Hello guys, once again I'm back with the another tutorials. So we have this times we are doing a coronavirus comp, like this is the 3D models that I have rendered from Maya, and we are going to have a simple compare. You guys can go and download from the link in the descriptions below. I have given their link, and keeps the supporting me, keep subscribing the channel as well. And we will be doing a lot more stuffs in the coming days, and I will be doing a lot more animated 3D multi-exr files render. So I will be doing all the renders in the coming days. So we will be doing a lot more comp in the coming days, but just I need support. So guys, so to render all lots of and to work hard, so you guys need to just support. And yeah, that's it. Everything is everything will be placed on the I have rendered these files in somewhere here. Okay, I will just give you the link in the link and those in the description below, and so you guys can go and download from there and do a simple comp these days. But I will be bringing up a lot more complicated and a lot more big scenes in the coming days. Okay, for now, let's get started.
Best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. My luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real, this life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. Will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. Oh, say our best days pass us by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. Sometimes I feel that my luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real, this life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal. Eternal. My luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real, this life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you've ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.